with another video. Today we will see street light control system. Before starting the video, we need a 5 volt power supply in it, for which we have already uploaded a video. Check out the link in a given description box. Let's get started to the video. So here we can see in this breadboard already we developed a 5 volt DC power supply. So the power is coming from the transformer 12 volt AC, and from there we developed a 5 volt. This yellow represent 5 volt DC and this brown one is represent ground. So whenever we need 5 volt and ground, we will take this strip for that. Now our project is street light control system. So this one is our LDR module. It is having 3 terminal. One terminal is connected with the ground, another terminal we need to connect with the VCC, and third terminal we need to get data. So first we will connect this. So here we connected our LDR module. So pin number first we need to provide VCC. So this pin we need to give 5 volt. So pin 1 we connected with 5 volt power supply. Sensor pin number second is ground. So we need to connect with the ground. Ground is connected. We should try to avoid the supply and do the connection. So for that I am just removing the connection for a time being. Now pin number 3 is our data pin. Here we need to connect one resistance. So here I am using 1K resistance, but for better understanding purpose I am just giving one connector here, and we took this connection here. Now here on the base I am connecting 1K resistance. So 1K resistance we connected. So here we are connecting NPN transistor. So emitter, base, collector. So from the right side, emitter, center one is base and third one is collector. So emitter, base, collector we connected. Now emitter we need to provide ground. So this emitter we connected with the ground. Now base already we connected with the data. Now the collector we need to connect LEDs. So here I am connecting LEDs. Make sure the component is inserted properly. So here we connected 4 LED as an output. So this collector, from here we need to connect to the LEDs. We given, and another point we need to make it connect with them. So now our connection is ready. So now we are trying to give supply 12 volt AC. Supply is given. So the working of LDR, whenever the darkness is there, based on that it will give high output. So just see here. So this is our breadboard connection. Now I just want to show the demo on our project board. So now this is our final demo of automatic street light control system. So here we can see on the right side we connected our PCB, hardboard, and we connected 4 output LED. You can see here. Now I just want to on the power. So our power indicator and sensor LED is getting on. Now whenever we evening will be happen, we can see the all 4 LED will be glow on the street light. Now we can see the actual scenario. So this project is very useful in energy saving, and it will be also help to reduce the human effort if implemented in actual street lights. Thank you.